Welcome to my first mathcast. The intended audience is for first graders. The content or learning objective is to represent numbers up to 120 objects with written numerals. This is created by myself, Alicia Uline. In order to master representation of numbers up to 120 objects with written numerals, we must first learn some math vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is place value. This is the value of a digit in a number based on its position. The ones place. This is a place value. The ones place is the rightmost digit in a number, which in this number 27 would be the number 7. The tens place is the digit in the second position from the right, which we see right here. The tens place. It is the second digit from the right. To get through the rest of this lesson, it's important to know that a rod is a group of 10 units that represents the tens place. So right here, this is our rod. It is one of the two groups that represents the tens place. A unit is a single measurement representation for the ones place. So each of these individual cubes is a unit, totaling 7 units for our ones place. All right, let's put our vocabulary to work. So here we have the number 113. We're going to go over to our place value chart and see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rods or groups of 10 in our tens place. Now for our ones place, we have 1, 2, 3 single units in our ones place, creating the number 113. As you can see, we have used our rods or our groups of 10 and our single units to represent the number 113. Our next example is going to be the number 105. Here we have our place value chart with our rods and units representing the number 105. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods or groups of 10. Now for our ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single units in our ones place. Now we can see that our number 105 is represented by rods and units. Let's try one more. Our number here is 120, represented in rods and units. We'll start here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We here have 12 rods or groups of 10. But wait, we don't have anything in our ones place on our place value chart. That is represented by 0. So here again you can see our number 120 is represented by rods and units. In this case, just rods. All right, we're going to try one more that looks a little bit different than the previous 3 we did. Same idea. We're going to first start off by counting our rods or groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we put an 11 in the tens place on our place value chart. Now let's count our single units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single units in our ones place. So that gives us the number 119. Here I have provided the Engage New York link that I used to reference this Mathcast. Thanks for watching. See you next time.